Assalamu alaikum students. In this video, I'm going to discuss or highlight the classification of hormones on the basis of their chemical nature. As hormones can be classified into the five distinct groups. Number one is amino acids, proteins, and derived from the cholesterol. Hormone is basically a chemical moiety or module that is secreted into the body fluids and has control effect on the body functions. The classification of the hormones are classified into five distinct classes. The peptide hormone, glycoproteins, steroids, amino acids, and imines. These are five basic classifications of the hormones. Now explaining the one by one hormones of the different chemical natures. Number one is the peptide hormones. Peptide hormones are made up of purely from long chains of the proteins. They are synthesized as pre-pro hormones, and further cleavage process activate these hormones. And the receptors of the peptide hormones are present on the cell membrane of the target cell. They are water soluble and they can travel through blood. They do not need any carrier protein to travel. They can be stored in the cell, and when the need is required, they are secreted out from the cell to the target tissue. Most of the body hormones are the peptide in nature from anterior pituitary hormones. These are the hormones examples of the peptide hormones. Number one is the from anterior pituitary hormone, growth hormone, ACTH, adrenocorticotropin hormone, prolactin, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, and luteinizing hormone LH. Then from the posterior pituitary hormones ADH and the diuretic hormone and oxytocin, they are peptide in nature. Isolates of the Langerhans contain the insulin, glucagon, and somatostatin. These three hormones are peptide in nature. Then from the parathyroid hormone PTH, parathyroid gland PTH, and then thyroid gland has the calcitonin. All other T3 and T4 are the amino acid derivatives hormone, but the calcitonin from the thyroid gland is peptide in nature. And then GIT hormones, gastrin from the stomach, secretin, and cholecytokinin from the small intestine. These hormones are peptide in nature. Then from the ovary, relaxin hormone, peptide in nature. Important point is here from the hypothalamus, all the releasing and inhibiting hormones and factors of the hypothalamus are peptide in nature. Number one is here thyroid releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone, growth hormone inhibiting hormone, and gonadotropin hormone. Then the prolactin inhibiting factor. All these are inhibiting and releasing factors are peptide in nature. Then from the placenta, human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, human somatomamotropin hormone, which are the peptide in nature. And from the kidney, renin and erythropoietin are the peptide in nature. Then adipose cell contain the leptin, which is the peptide hormone. So these hormone has various function in the body and they affect the physiological effect in the body. Then number second class is the steroids hormone. They are steroids in nature. These hormones are the hormones derived from the cholesterol, which are synthesized in a series of the reaction. The receptors of these hormones are present inside the cell, that is, they have intracellular receptors. They need carrier protein to travel in the blood, and they affect long-term effects and but duration so they include the adrenal cortex hormones, which are the cortisol, aldosterone, and adrenal androgens, and from the ovary estrogen and progesterone, and testes contain the testosterone, which are steroids in nature. Number three class is the amino acids hormones, which are the hormones from the thyroid gland. They are derived from the amino acid tyrosine. These are the thyroxine and triiodothyronine T4 and T3. These hormones are synthesized from the tyrosine. They are stored before just release, and these hormones are required for carrier protein to travel in the blood. They have their receptors in the nucleus and as the thyroid hormones act on the nuclear receptors. So they include the thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Number 4 class is the amines hormones, as they are derived from the amino acids. These are the derivatives of the amino acid tyrosine. They are also stored before just to release, but how they are stored, it differs from the steroid hormones. Adrenaline and non-adrenaline are the polars, and they are water soluble. Both epinephrine and non-epinephrine, they are collectively called the catecholamines. They have receptors on the membranes of the target cell, and both these hormones are the catecholamines. Then the hormone melatonin is the which is by the pineal body, which is a part of the brain, and then acetylcholine. These are the amines in nature. Then number 5 is the glycoproteins, as these hormones are composed of the protein and carbohydrate portion. These are from the anterior pituitary, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. These both two hormones are the glycoproteins in nature. And then from placenta, human chorionic gonadotropin hormone is the glycoprotein in nature. So all this one is the classification of the hormone on the basis of the chemical nature. Thank you very much.